Hey everybody, Sci-Fi Modeler here. Today, looking at the 40th anniversary Empire Strikes Back Slave 1 from Revell. This is the gift set. This was at the store several years ago, but I didn't buy it. And I got lucky with a really good price on eBay. So I ended up getting it. And a few reasons why I resisted getting it, but I ended up looking forward and getting it because the Bandai kit of the Slave 1 is really small. It's 144 scale. This is 188 scale, so not quite twice the size, but sizably larger. And this particular set comes with paint and contact glue, a brush, and a poster. So there's the poster right there. Nice size poster, and very cool. I framed it because it's a nice poster. And I initially was going to just throw those paints away, but I ended up experimenting with them. I emptied each one into one of those 24-ounce jars, Tamiya jars, and this ends up being like 5 ounces of paint. Okay. So I got 5 ounces of paint out of each one of these. I added probably 10 ounces of Tamiya thinner and mixed it really well, and found that it sprays really nice through my airbrush. And so I'm like, okay, that's pretty awesome. They gave me 6 colors. This one requires, I believe, like 8 colors. Like a base gray they didn't give you, and also black they didn't give you, but all the other greens and stuff they end up giving you. So that's pretty cool. Looking at the instructions here, very colorful instructions, which is nice, and step by step, of course, detail. What I did was I ended up on each one of the pot of paints that I put together, I ended up putting the code number and the actual color on the label, but I also put on top of the jar these letter callouts, so it'd be easy for me to identify. Now, these letter callouts are not the same on every kit. I thought they might be, but they're not, unfortunately. So anyway, I was initially going to light this one up, but it basically, the only clear part it comes with is the canopy. So I have to do special modifications to do the lighting. I mean, the engines are not clear. So this is one of those I'm just going to go ahead, straight up paint, put together, and be done with it. And you know, that's kind of nice because I do like lighting my models, but unfortunately when you do that, it's like a lot of extra steps, extra planning. And sometimes you just want to have a fun one. You just want to have one that you just go ahead, grab, and start painting and put together. And so far, well, I haven't fit too many pieces yet. And this is the 2 halves I haven't quite pushed together, because really it's sort of like a snap kit. But I just put them there to see what they look like. And I started using the paints, as you can see. That came with it. The black was my own black, but these other colors came with the kit. Cockpit. These panels. This is the one they wanted just gray, so I did naval gray on that one. And I just did the main parts. There's like a lot of accents to be painted still, but just went ahead and put the main parts. This is supposed to be a metallic iron, so I had some gunmetal lying around, so I used that instead, and it looks pretty cool. So it's got some decals. So again, it does not have any clear parts. The ramp doesn't open, and it does not come with a stand. So all those together, I'm like, you know what? This would be a good first model to practice chipping, because the Slave 1 is actually You know, this one doesn't show it too much, but it's got a lot of different colors, patterns, and it's supposed to be, I've seen other pictures where there's more chipping, especially at the base here. So that'd be a good thing to practice on this one. And again, this will be, I mean, it's been fun just getting the main paints out and doing it up. Oh, it does come with a Boba Fett, by the way. So he's small, but he fits, and that's that. So the only thing, so I'm happy that the paints worked out. That's one cool thing. The poster's nice, and the contact cement that comes with it, that's like between $6 and $10. So if you add up the paint, the poster, and the contact cement, I mean, you're up at what? It's going to cost you $10 for the poster. If you got it separately, it's going to cost you $10 for the glue, and who knows how much for 6 paints. So, you know, as long as you're not paying $70 for this is a really good deal. So I was pretty happy with that. The one thing I'm not crazy about are these boxes, and the reason why I have this cardboard box is basically when you open up the box that it comes with, and you take the parts out and you start priming, you don't want to put them back in there, because unless you cut the top half of this box open, they're going to go in there and start scratching each other. So basically this box is kind of useless once you open it and start building it. So, you know, I like the old style, really thick cardboard boxes that you can reuse. Like the old Star Trek kits used to come in really thick cardboard boxes. Those were nice. You know, you could put your model in there and all the stuff having to do with the model, lighting stuff, your sanding sticks, whatever. Now it's like, okay, I got to find a box to put this in as I'm working on it, unless I do the whole thing all in one day. So I'm not in a hurry, and like I said, there is some detail painting to be done, so that's fine. And some nice reference pictures, you can see. So at least it's a nice reference. A little bit of history of the Slave 1. So I ended up also, besides this one, I ended up getting the MPC one. Now, funny story. The whole reason why I got the MPC one is because this one actually comes with a stand. It comes with a stand to put the model in. And what I did not know is that this one actually comes with clear engines. So it seems like, and this one, these are similar scales. They're not quite identical, but they're similar. But anyway, the thing is that this comes with a stand, clear engines, and also comes with, I believe, an opening loading ramp. Look at that. Comes with a loading ramp. So the only thing I got to do is for the center, that long center engine, I just got to basically cut that out to be able to put like a strip of LEDs in there. And with the stand, I can light this up. So that's what I'm going to do. Instead of just using the stand, I'm going to use this one as the one that I light up. And just FYI, it is end of April, and right now at Auto World, and they're not paying me. I bought this. They didn't send me anything. They don't know who the hell I am. This one's on sale for $15. So that's the other reason why I got it. So anyways, I'll give you a different unboxing on this one once I start this one up. But for now, I'll keep you posted on this one. This is my fun build to do as I'm working on the Falcon. The Falcon, I got to take my time. That's a nice one. So this is one of these fun builds. No lighting, just paint it up, and it's going to look good. So that's nice to have something that you can say, hey, I got something accomplished, and it was fun, and it didn't take that long. So, all right, guys. Until next time.